Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Palak puris. These are regular puris to which spinach puree is added. First, clean the spinach leaves. Remove the stalks. Keep the leaves in boiled water for 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the water and immerse the leaves in a bowl of cold water. Then strain the leaves and squeeze out water. Take a mixer jar, add the blanched leaves, a small piece of ginger and 1 or 2 green chilies. Make a fine paste. Spinach is extremely nutritious. Puris are unhealthy, but once in a while it's okay to have hot puris for our breakfast. Take a bowl. Add whole wheat flour. Add salt, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of carom seeds, that is omam in Tamil and ayamodagam in Malayalam, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida. Then add the palak puree and 1 teaspoon of oil. Mix everything well. Knead the dough. Make a stiff dough, adding water very little. Rest the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add 1 teaspoon oil and knead the dough again. Spread oil on the chapati board and roll out small puris. Heat oil in a pan. I normally use groundnut oil or coconut oil for deep frying. This is groundnut oil. Fry the puris till brown spots start to appear on them. Press it lightly so that the puri puffs up. These puris can be served with potato masala, chana masala or any other vegetable curry. If you liked my video, please like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.